you are on this page, you've probably already thought about hiring a sales trainer. The problem is most sales trainers show up, spew a bunch of theoretical nonsense telling you to sell the value, and then disappear 48 hours later, and your team usually hasn't changed a damn thing.
So we have a different way that'll actually get you to President's Club. The 30MPC Enablement program teaches your reps literally any skill from cold calling to negotiation and everything in between. And then we partner with you to build out all of your playbooks to make sure it actually sticks. Most sales trainings are super academic, theoretical, and they leave your reps wondering, what the hell do I actually say?
And that's why step one is we have courses that teach your reps literally exactly what to say, step by step, whether you are cold calling, running a discovery call, or a negotiation, all taught by top 1% sales trainers and practitioners in the game. And that is where most sales trainings end, but that's where our program begins.
Right, because even if the training goes well, you're usually left wondering, what the hell does this cold call script or discovery question actually sound like for my company or my product?
So step two is we get all of your leaders and reps in a room to build out custom playbooks with you. So you leave with completely customized call scripts, discovery questions, and multi-threading playbooks that work for your specific company and sales motion.
Right, but even if you have the right scripts, most sales training falls flat because nothing actually happens after the training is delivered.
And so step three is we make it insanely easy for you to just show up and reinforce what you learned in steps 1 and 2. We tell you the exact reinforcement sessions to run, how to run them, and even help you plug in 30MPC playbooks and scorecards into your AI roleplay tool, or maybe even in your call coaching platform.
And then we do this over and over and over again so that
in onboarding, you onboard and ramp reps way faster because they leave onboarding with every single skill you could possibly hope they could have to get to President's Club at the end of their first 30 days.
And in everboarding, where your team closes more skill gaps in a year than most do in a decade. Your SDRs have mastered everything from cold calling to cold email to social selling to time management. Your AEs know how to do great discovery calls that don't feel salesy. They know how to multi-thread. They know how to negotiate. They know how to drive timeline.
And in individual coaching plans, you can help your reps with literally anything else they could be struggling with. Maybe one rep is using their first business case on a 6-figure deal. Maybe a rep wants to learn how to use mutual action plans. Or maybe one of your SDRs just wants to figure out how to structure their day so they fit in their cold calls on time.
So Armand, what's the catch? There's some common questions that come up here usually.
So there are 3 common questions that usually come up. Question number 1 is, do you help us do the work because we're a lean enablement team? And the answer is yes. In fact, most of the time, teams are coming to us because enablement is asked to run product enablement, cure world hunger, and teach all reps how to multi-thread. And so we have an entire enablement team that actually understands sales and has been working on 30MPC content inside and out. So it is our job to partner with you and make sure that the 30MPC tactics turn into playbooks that are actually tailored to your company and be an extension of you and your enablement team.
Right. The second question that usually comes up is, does 30MPC do live trainings? The answer is yes. We do live activations and we oftentimes speak at SKOs for some of our enterprise clients. But the reality is most of our customers realize that the 30MPC curriculum gets you 80% of the way there. And then we help you and your enablement team to facilitate workshops, because training only sticks and only works for your company if it is reinforced by your frontline managers.
And then the last question that we get is, how do I know this works for my sales motion, whether it's I'm a hardware company or a software company or AI or infrastructure or small company, big company? And the reality is we've done this for dozens and dozens and dozens of different sales teams. And this is where we partner with you, because 1, we've seen hundreds of other companies roll out these frameworks, but 2, you are the expert in your space, and that is where we partner with you to build out playbooks and tailor them to your specific sales motion.
And our customers will show you the results too. Companies like Tremendous increased cold call set rate by 60%.
Or companies like Fundraise Up improved their sales cycle time by 33% from stage 1 to stage 2, and they cut their reps ramp time literally in half.
So here's our offer. Request a meeting with our team, and if nothing else, we will give you a sense of what a 30MPC program could look like for your team. So fill out the form below, and we look forward to meeting with you.